We planned a simple escort ride and ended up finding some of the most beautiful roads I've ever seen. New rider, new bike, new adventure. Stay tuned to see how we got on. A few weeks ago, Ruth spotted a post on a women's riding group on Facebook. A woman called Valeria was picking up her first bike in Manchester and riding it all the way back to the northeast, and she was feeling pretty nervous about doing it alone. Totally understandable, I would have been too. Ruth messaged her straight away and said, "We'll meet you at the dealership and ride with you for the first couple of hours." She agreed, and it turned out the dealership was Robinson's in Rochdale, which is practically on our doorstep. So that's where this story begins. 3 women, one brand new Kawasaki Ninja 500, and a plan to make her first ride a little less daunting. We headed out of Rochdale on the usual town roads, stop-start traffic, lights, roundabouts, the kind of thing that's not glamorous but good for settling you into a new bike. After a quick fuel stop, the route opened up into the countryside, through Bacup over towards Burnley, the kind of roads that let you breathe in a bit, find your rhythm, and remember why you love riding. Our next stop was Route 59 Café. It was strangely quiet, but it was still open, so we grabbed a brew and checked the route. It was probably quiet because it had been raining most of the morning.
Oh my god! My whole body hurts.
Yeah, it's gonna be a long ride home for you.
It's a lovely bike. It's a really nice first bike, it is. You've made a good choice there. Right, come on. Let's make tracks. Nice
Safe riding, yeah, take care. Enjoy your new bike. I think it's I like the helmet as well. Oh, you're all kitted up, eh? You have a big bow on it.
Yeah.
Someone suggested a detour through Ferronsby on our way to Wetherby. Apparently it was a lovely ride, so we thought, why not, and reprogram the sat-nav. As we come up to these lights, they turned green, so I just kept going and didn't really concentrate hard enough and didn't see this sign here and just followed the cars in front. I was beginning to wonder at this point whether I'd done the wrong thing, and then saw a car come past and realised I should have probably gone straight on. But oh well, we're committed now, so we'll just keep going. They're following me, and the sat-nav at this point has sorted itself out, so we'll just keep going. And honestly, I'm so glad I did. The road that unfolded was one of those unexpected gifts. A narrow country lane with views that stretched for miles, proper on top of the world scenery. We had lambs, we saw red kites. This turned out to be an absolutely beautiful diversion. Sorry, little sheep, we scared you. So cute, love sheep. The road that unfolded was one of those unexpected gifts. A narrow country lane with views that stretched for miles. Proper on top of the world scenery. The kind of road we didn't plan, but we just stumbled onto, and it became the highlight of the whole day. I'm leaving most of this section unedited because it captures exactly what WanderMoto is about. Community, confidence, and the joy of discovering beautiful places together. Gentle adventure. None of us are hooning round corners. We're just taking it steady and taking in this glorious scenery. We're getting to the end of it now, and again we're getting to temporary road surfaces, and it looks like roads have been made just for whatever works they're doing here. So we'll just keep following the road and see what happens. Eventually, we rejoined the main road and made our way to Wetherby services, the end of our part of Valeria's journey. And I just want to say this, she did an absolutely incredible job. Picking up your first bike and riding from Rochdale to the northeast is a big ask, and she handled it with so much calm and determination.
Well, that was interesting.
Wasn't it? When we got to those lights and it sent us...
To the left.
Yeah, and the lane split. I think I should have carried on, but I just followed the car.
Well, all we did was we went over the hill, back down, and then joined the same road we'd left.
Well, it was a nice road.
I've no idea why. I mean, I know those roadworks were going on because they were going on when we came through, when we went to Darlington.
Right, yeah.
So I knew they were there, but they weren't down to one lane when I came through the last time.
Yeah.
So...
I hope those first couple of hours with us gave her the confidence that she deserved to start her journey on the right foot. Because that's what these rides were about. Showing up for each other, sharing the road, and finding the magic in the unexpected detours.